Hi and hello. This is Dr. Madhu Prasad, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration Regular, Ayya Nadar Janaki College Autonomous Sivakasi. Myself, I have designed and developed an e-content on the topic Management Information Systems, that is MIS, for the welfare of information management students. The contents of MIS includes introduction, meaning of information system, information technology, different roles played by information system, classification of information system, characteristics of MIS, sources of MIS, management reporting system, outputs of MIS with example, advantages of MIS, functional aspects and opportunities of MIS, supportive bibliography links, case study with realistic examples, and concluding remarks. As an introduction, to know the evolution of information, differences between data versus information has been seen. Data, raw facts and figures such as an employee's name and number of hours worked in a week, inventory part numbers or sales order. Data is not processed. Data cannot be used as it is in decision making process. It has to be refined, manipulated, and converted into meaningful information. So data alone cannot give any meaning, but when it's refined and processed and manipulated, it becomes information and is useful for the decision making process. So information is nothing but data in use. It's a processed data. It is factful too. Information system. An information system is typically considered to be a set of interrelated elements or components that collect, manipulate, and disseminate output and information and provide a feedback mechanism to meet an objective. Example: payroll system, inventory system, marketing system, and so on. Information technology. So information technology is needed to have fast and virtual storage reality. So the requirements are hardware, physical parts of the computer, and various accessories, software, application system, and troubleshooting softwares, databases, internal database, external database, and management databases too. And networks and other related components are used to build information systems globally. Distributed data processing is centralized database can be achieved. Hence, information technology is needed to design and develop an information system like MIS. The roles of information system, that is the evolution of information system. Initially, it acts as a data processing tool. Then it is used for report writing, and then it was considered for decision making, and at the fourth stage it was used, that is by 1980s it was used for strategic and end user support, and from 1990s to till date it is used for interlinking and interconnecting the global environment through internet and its valid services. Classification of information system, it is broadly divided into operation support system and management support system. Operation support system process data generated by business operations. On the other hand, management support system provide information and support needed for effective decision making by managers at various levels of management. Operation support system includes transaction processing system. The day-to-day transactions are collected, processed, and stored in the transactional database. Process control system helps to make the actual performance meet the standards of requirements. Office automation system helps to control the documentation and the official activities of an organization, that too in office level. So these three aspects, categories: transaction processing system, process control system, office automation system, comes under the day-to-day operations of software system, support system. Management support system, the categories are management information system, decision support system, executive information system. MIS is targeted for structured decisions at junior level. Decision support system is targeted at semi-structured decisions in middle level, and executive information system and expert system are targeted at top level for strategic planning decisions. The characteristics of management information system are enormous. They are management oriented, management directed, and additional to that, routine information for routine decisions, operational efficiency, that is optimally achieving productivity, use transaction data as main input, that is transaction database helps to management information system to create reports and take decisions for different levels of management. Databases integrate MIS in different functional areas, that is both internal and external database integrate together and form a management database so that decision making can be undergone at different levels of management. Sources of management information is schematically represented. So as I said already, business transactions are recorded and they are stored and evaluated through transaction processing system with the support of operational databases, and then these transactions are validated through process control system to check out the bugs and errors and bias, and then it acts as an input to MIS in addition to corporate databases and external databases. And various scheduled reports are prepared, and application databases, the information created by MIS stored in application databases from extracted from corporate intranet from employee sources. And finally, it acts as an input to decision support system, executive support system, and expert system, which supports middle level and top level, that is semi-structured and structured decision making, which are the major parts of the organization. Management reporting system, because than oral communication, written communication is very very important because it requires it's legal and access and evidence and fact too. The objective is providing lower and mid-level management operational control information, that is monthly or weekly performance reports, attendance reports, sales reports, inventory reports, and many reports too. Outputs of an information system, it is elaborately explained now. Scheduled reports produced periodically or on a schedule, that is daily, weekly, or monthly. Key indicator report summarizes the previous day's critical activities, typically available at the beginning of each day. Demand report, given certain information at a manager's request. Exception report, automatically produced when a situation is unusual or requires management action. Example for scheduled report, the daily sales daily report is given hereby. An example for key indicator report, daily sales key indicator reporter is highlighted. An example for demand report, daily sales by representative summer report is given for a kind information. Exception report example, daily sales exception report, orders over $10 is given for your kind information. Drill down report example, earnings by quarter in millions is given to provide detailed data about the situation. Now coming to the advantages of MIS. It provides support to managers as they work to achieve corporate goals, enables managers to compare results to establish company goals and identify problem areas and opportunities for improvement. Functional aspects. Management information system is an integrated collection of functional information systems, each supporting functional areas. Functional areas include marketing, production, finance, and personal. The schematic representation of functional MIS approach is given herewith. With the support of internet, business transactions are extracted from all over the world and they are stored in transaction processing system in the transaction database. And similarly, you have different branches and binomial units and sister concerns. Through extranet, the business transactions are extracted, and through TPS, it is stored in transaction database. As usual, database was validated and for checking the process control systems for standards, whether they meet the standards or not, and then it acts as an input to an organization's management information system. And other than this internal part, external database is also going to act as an input so that semi-structured and unstructured decisions can be handled. With these internal and external databases created, financial management information system helps you in acquiring funds, maintaining funds, and repaying funds, and investing properly in various business expansions and opportunities. And accounting information system helps you in allied with financial management information system. Marketing management information system helps you to give out with product subsystem, prices subsystem, place subsystem, and promotion subsystem. It helps you to undergo the marketing strategy, that's the four P's of marketing. And human resources management information system supports you with the overview of recruiting and selecting employees, indicting them, placing them, and after selecting and indicting and placing, appraising their performance, giving proper compensations, handling industrial disputes, and taking care of internal external mobilities and etc. Everything will be handled by human resource information system. And finally, you do have operations information system. It takes about the production activities like computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, and computer integrated manufacturing too. Through these functional MIS, the various reports already explained, drill down reports, exception reports, demand reports, key indicator reports, schedule reports, which are already explained. The examples can be created and which can be used for decision making process. These are called as summary reports. And if it doesn't match the condition, it becomes an exception report. What are the opportunities behind MINs? Enhanced global competitiveness, capture market opportunities, support corporate strategy, enhance worker productivity, improve quality of goods and services. That is, you can achieve profit, production, customer satisfaction, social well-being, and globalization and localization too. A bibliography of management information system with supportive five famous web links have been given. You can make use of it for additional knowledge gaining. A case study, that is management information system at Dell Computer Corporation, has been given for your kind knowledge gaining. So you can, through this case study, you can know the information technology and its dimensions, how it supports an organization decision making process. And moreover, the particular company Dell Computer Corporation's company background is also given, so that you can know the realistic of the organization, the problems faced by the organization, and how MIS, if implemented in the organization, will take over the complete problem, and how benefits can be gained through. So you can have a clear cut idea from these aspects. And how far information processing tools can be used. As I said, information system, information technology club together, how far it will be, can be used for your batch processing and online processing mode, and with the support of various databases, transaction database, that is internal database, external database, extractor management database, and how various applications and functional applications in marketing, production, finance, personal, and systems can be achieved, and how an inventory in organization can be controlled and maintained, and these things can be easily driven out and can be handed out to. And you can also understand that redundancy is a major problem in storage that can be controlled using common data flows and through distributed data processing, so that your cost becomes reduced, that is, an optimality is achieved, and error bias can be controlled, and moreover your system becomes secured too. And as a conclusion of the case study, MIS involves the information system and the organization. Dell benefits a lot from the MIS. The system helps the company create strategies that will help the company conquer and problems and threats from competitors, that is, they can take competitive advantage. The system also assists the company in processing the needed information. MIS also helps a company to create or update its inventory control system, since the MIS of a company is a vital part of its operations and the survival in the modern world. It must be well updated and it must compete well with MIS's competitors. The MIS of a company should be created from high standards so that it can be of stiff competition against its counterparts. The MIS system should help the company to achieve its goals and assist the company in reaching its potential. As a conclusion, management information system and application software are very vital and important to the business industry, academia, and any organization to meet the future challenges, that is by achieving a higher productivity with low inputs, that is operational efficiency, and thereby paperless environment can be adapted, green initiativeness can be implemented, and better decisions can be taken, and organization can grow to the next level. Thank you all. You had a good glimpse of idea regarding management information system. Thank you for viewing. Please post your comment to madhuagastyan@gmail.com. Thank you.